Hi everyone, my name is Eve Vargas, for a student the University UNAM. This is English B1. 1. Did you spend much money on your last trip? Was it a fine amount? Colombia peso is very devalued. I would like that the trip of Colombia do not mean more monetarily than those of foreign gains. Number 2. What is better, visit popular tourist destination or less known tourist destination? Why? Give a list to reason for your answers. So many people everywhere make it harder to enjoy destination to their full potential. Popular tourist destinations are more popular because they have a cultural value that is recognized by most people. Number 3. Regular tourism versus ecotourism. Ecotourism is not as comfortable as regular tourism. If I want a comfortable ecotourism, the price is even higher than regular tourism. Number 4. Backpacker. I prefer everything planned, but in this way you can get to know the people and the place of destination better and beyond the view of just being a tourist. Number 5. Have you ever worked on tourism? What was the experience like? Number 1, number 2. Thank you for the listening.